This is Anton from the Terra team. In this video, we'll take a look at how to create and access snapshots. Once you have access to a dataset that has assets that can be shared in a snapshot, you'll be able to see those assets as options when creating a snapshot through the Terra data repository user interface. Go to data.terra.bio and log in. You'll see a Home tab that summarizes recent datasets and snapshots that you have accessed. You can also see a more full list of datasets and snapshots to which you have access in the Datasets and Snapshots tabs, respectively. Find the dataset from which you want to create a snapshot. If you have access to a dataset with assets, you can select the rows that you want included in that snapshot, click Create Snapshot, select the asset that determines which columns will go into the snapshot, and click Create Snapshot. A name for the snapshot will be required. Once you successfully create the snapshot, it will appear in the Snapshots tab of the TDR user interface. It will be visible there for whoever you've shared the snapshot with. To export the snapshot to a Terra workspace, go to the Snapshots tab, click on the snapshot you wish to export, and click Export to Workspace in the box on the right. This will take you directly to the Terra user interface, where you can select a workspace that's available to you for this purpose, or create a new workspace from scratch with the snapshot already inside it. Thank you for watching.